Hi everyone. This video guides you through filing the French packaging EPR report on the Lovat platform. We'll cover both the simplified and detailed report options. Before filing, ensure your EPR settings are accurate. Access tax settings and verify your active EPR number. France offers two report types. Simplified, ideal for companies selling under 20,000 units to France in 2023. Requires entering product description, e.g. sneakers, and number of items sold in 2023. Detailed provides downloadable transaction data for integrated marketplaces. Requires specifying weight per packaging category, aluminum, glass, etc., and quantity of goods sold. Go to EPR Reporting and select Fill EPR Report. Choose France Packaging and 2023 as country, category, and period. Select Simplified, enter product description and number of items sold, and click Next. Review, then click Submit and confirm data accuracy. Your report is now pending and will turn submitted upon approval. Follow steps 1 to 3 from the simplified report process. Select Detailed and click Next. Choose to upload a transaction file or manually enter data for each packaging category, weight and quantity of goods sold. Enter data for aluminum, glass, paper, plastic, steel, wood, other, and number of items sold. Review, click Submit, and confirm data accuracy. Your report is now pending and will turn submitted upon approval. I hope this video is helpful. Please leave a comment below if you have any questions.